morning, guys.
Sneezed.
We finished a beautiful breakfast. I should have showed you when it first came out, but we were so hungry and it looked so good. We just ate it up real quick. All that's left is my nice little scone bread thing here. Some jam. Beautiful morning here. I'm gonna show you guys this view. Incredible. Beautiful Mekong down there. So this morning, we're gonna, after breakfast, we're gonna walk down to the main reception area, and we're actually gonna go to the Mekong Elephant Park here in Pak Beng and go see the elephants. But we've already actually seen them this morning. So from our room balcony, we can see across the river, and this morning, just over here, right after we got up, we heard trumpeting, and the elephants came down out of the forest, and we're down by the river, just hanging out and trumpeting and super happy and excited. So it's super cool to just sit on the balcony and watch them for a little bit. We came for breakfast, and but we're almost done, and then we're gonna head down and go spend the morning with the elephants. Should be really interesting. It's nice. We're here in the mountains, so it's super foggy. We're like kind of in the clouds here, but you can see the sun starting to break through over here and get rid of the clouds. Very cool, very nice, very serene. I mean, you can just sit and just take in the views up here, really. Balancing them.
After the trek, I will not be there. I have an important.
You go in taking around for the 1 hour for the walking with the unit.
Yeah.
C'est permetté pour 1 hour. 1 hour, so straight away you observe straight away. This is where you can see how strong the relation is.
So Sophie kept getting cold hands, so she decided to buy some gloves for riding.
So Korean doll gloves.
Korean doll gloves, super cute. All for 60 cents. I think she got a bargain. I think it's a bargain, honey. Those look like designer gloves.
Oh yeah. High-end fashion.
All the rage in Korea. Look at that. Those will keep you warm. Kind of looks like it's made out of a towel.
It is. It's like that towel material.
It feels like a towel. Material. But like not the good towels. Those are like the towels that you don't like because they feel very soft, but they don't actually dry you off.
And then you fluff all over.
Only fluff everywhere. Very nice.
Bike style.
Fancy. Yeah, very biker. Hardcore bikers wear pink.